What the heck is wartime dialing? And why is it so important right now? Hi, it's Eva Lin. In this quickly changing market, it's aggressive, action-taking agents who will not only survive, but thrive. So today, I want to share something called wartime dialing with you. I'm sure you know the importance of speed to lead. If you're receiving leads from Zillow, or Yelp, or PPC, or any other lead generating source, then you know that the quicker you call a new lead, the higher the probability you're going to connect with them. But what happens when you call somebody and only get their voicemail? Most of us are inclined to move on or try again another day. Don't do that. That's not a winning strategy. Here's what to do instead. As soon as you get their voicemail, hang up and call back again. And if you get their voicemail a second time, hang up and call back a third time. This is called wartime dialing. Yes, I'm telling you to call the same person 3 times in a row. Why? Because it'll substantially increase the number of conversations that you're going to have. I know you're skeptical, and I was too. The first time I heard this, I thought if I call somebody 3 times in a row, they were going to be furious and probably even yell at me. The reality is, 99% of the time, people don't care that you call 3 times in a row. Most folks ignore calls from random numbers. I know I do. But by the second and third time you call, they're so curious about who the heck is calling that they answer the phone. And if you have good positive energy, then they're happy to talk to you, or at the very least, neutral. Using this strategy will substantially increase the number of potential clients you have conversations with, and that's the name of the game right now. Try it, and I promise you, it'll make a significant difference in the number of people you connect with. Let me know how it works out for you. I love to hear about your success with this approach.